ever wonder what's actually happening inside a brain that just won't sit still? It turns out the pathogenesis of things like attention deficit hyperactivity disorder is less about not paying attention and more about high stakes, microscopic drama involving everything from immune cells to ancient neuropeptides. At the center of the story are mast cells, the brain's tiny, overprotective bodyguards. While we usually blame them for allergies in the central nervous system, they are master regulators of brain inflammation. When these cells get activated by trauma, immunoglobulins, or even neuropeptides, they undergo a process called degranulation. Imagine a tiny glitter bomb going off, but instead of glitter, it's releasing histamine, tryptase, and kinase, and the interleukin families. They also toss out tumor necrosis factor alpha, heparin, and serotonin. These mast cell granules can even trigger vascular endothelial growth factor and prostaglandins, which basically tell the brain's plumbing to open up so the immune system can flood in. This activation doesn't happen in a vacuum. It's a group effort. Mast cells talk to glial cells and neurons, influencing T cell proliferation and even the health of hippocampal neurons through cell adhesion molecule 1. This whole process is tightly wound up with the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. This is your body's stress thermostat. When it gets out of whack, we see it manifests in neuropsychiatric disorders. Even common treatments like methylphenidate work in part by navigating this complex landscape of chemicals and signaling. There's another layer to the brain cake, the world of social communication. Enter vasopressin and oxytocin, the dynamic duo of the vasopressinergic and oxytocinergic systems. These are critical for social behaviors, parental care, and the all-important parent-offspring bonding. Vasopressin, also known as antidiuretic hormone, is a non-peptide that starts its journey in the paraventricular and supraoptic nuclei of the hypothalamus. It travels down axon terminals to the posterior pituitary, waiting for its moment to shine. Vasopressin is a busy molecule. It works through G-protein coupled receptors and uses protein kinase A to get its message across. So from the glitter bomb of a mast cell in the midst of neuroinflammation to the precise social tuning of the vasopressin apparent connection, the brain is a masterpiece of chemistry. It's managed circadian rhythm generation, vasoconstriction, and even the antidiuretic effect, all while trying to help you hold that conversation. It's a lot to handle, but with a system this complex, it's no wonder things get a little hyperactive sometimes.